Welcome to the Service Acquisition Mall, or SAM. Our goal is to provide you with the knowledge and skills to successfully navigate the service acquisition process. The process starts when your customer or organization has identified a mission requirement that can best be satisfied by contract. Although involved, the process is not hard or complicated when you break it down into its component parts. The process involves 7 steps that can be divided into 3 phases: planning, development, and execution. The planning phase is composed of 3 steps. Step 1, form the team, requires getting the right people on the team and getting focused and organized. The objective of Step 1 is to understand who has a stake in the outcomes of your actions and what their expectations are. Teamwork is a critical factor in successfully completing this acquisition process. During the second step, review current strategy, you will develop a baseline understanding of current performance, evaluating what problems exist and what changes need to occur. During this step, you will determine what your stakeholders see as their future requirements. Step 3, market research, identifies what is available in the marketplace to meet your requirement. It will also identify industry trends in providing the service and how emerging technologies or processes may improve performance results for your customers. Completing these 3 steps form the foundation for developing your requirement and business strategy. The development phase involves 2 steps. Step 4, requirements definition, is the heart of this phase. It defines the performance results you will place on the contract. Using the requirements roadmap tool in this step will help you define and structure performance objectives and performance standards that become the basis for your requirement. It will also ensure that you have the methods and means to validate that the performance delivered meets the standards you set. Alignment between your performance requirement and performance evaluation is critical to a successful service acquisition. In Step 5, acquisition strategy, you will develop your business case. Verify the type of contract that is best suited for delivering the performance results your stakeholders need. Establish the type of performance incentive that would motivate a contractor to deliver greater performance results for your stakeholder. You will also determine what method to use in selecting a contractor. The acquisition process grants you a great deal of flexibility. It is up to you to develop a strategy best suited for your requirement and your mission. 2 steps of this phase complete the development process and prepare you to pull the trigger on your project. The execution phase involves the final 2 steps of the acquisition process. Step 6, execute the strategy, launches the formal acquisition process of requesting proposals from industry and evaluating how they plan to meet the performance objectives and standard developed in Step 4. Make sure you have the right people to conduct the technical evaluations of contractor proposals. Here in Step 6, you will ultimately select a contractor based on the strategy you developed in Step 5. After the contract is awarded, you must make sure the new contractor gets started and nothing gets missed if there is a transition from one contractor to another. Step 7, performance management, is the culmination of the 7-step process. The goal of this step is to ensure the smooth delivery of services that meet your stakeholders' mission needs. This is the phase where the contractor is performing the contracted effort and you use the QASP to oversee the contractor's performance. Your team needs to focus on establishing and maintaining a professional relationship with your contractor that results in a productive partnership. This partnership is the key to effectively manage the changes that often occur during contract performance. Completing this 7-step process will help ensure your acquisition team delivers the performance results your stakeholders need as efficiently and effectively as possible. SAM is here to help you through this process.